Hi, my name is Megan McMaster, and I will be explaining the hormones produced by the pancreas and their primary functions. The pancreas is found in our abdominal cavity posterior to the stomach. This is our pancreas. This organ is an endocrine and exocrine gland. The pancreatic isolates secrete hormones into the bloodstream and contain alpha, beta, and delta cells. Alpha cells secrete glucagon, beta cells secrete insulin, and the delta cells secrete somatostatin. Insulin and glucagon are the two primary hormones that maintain the blood glucose level. Glucagon targets the liver, muscle tissues, and adipose tissues. It promotes a reaction in these tissues to increase levels of glucose primarily and other metabolic fuels in our bloodstream. Glucogenolysis, which is the breakdown of glycogen into glucose, is one of the reactions. A formation of new glucose by gluconeogenesis in the liver, protein breakdown in muscle tissue that releases amino acids for the gluconeogenesis, the release of fats from our adipose tissue for gluconeogenesis, which is an additional source of fuel, and also the formation in the liver of fuel molecules called ketone bodies from fatty acids. As for insulin, this is the primary antagonist of glucagon, and its main effect promotes the uptake and storage of ingested nutrients into its targeted cells that will lower the glucose level in the blood. Insulin will stimulate the uptake of lipids, amino acids, and glucose. It also stimulates the synthesis of glycogen in the liver, the synthesis of fat from lipids and carbohydrates, and also promotes satiety, the feeling of fullness. These effects, insulin replenishes the fuel sources that are depleted during either fasting, and they also maintain our blood glucose concentration. Insulin's primary target tissues are the liver, cardiac and skeletal muscles, and areas of our brain.